Warte, ja.
Er sitzt auf, er sitzt auf, er sitzt auf. Geh nach hinten. Du sitzt auf.
So Eric is already complaining that he rushed through the picture. That's okay. Oh hi, no, good evening. Konbanwa, good evening and welcome to another episode. So no SEMA content anymore. I think we had enough of SEMA. No, we didn't, but it was a blast. But today we're back at the shop because we're gonna install our AC Schnitzer front lip, and we're gonna show you the parts first, then we're gonna tell you as always what we do. And then we're gonna go with this guy to a pretty, I mean, you know Artek from the previous videos, to a pretty cool combi tomorrow. So let's go. So this is the front of itself. It's pretty heavy and durable, and I hope that my driveway, what is actually the final boss, I hope you're gonna make it. I mean, not the driveway, I mean the front lip. Also, we have some pretty heavy mounts coming with this, and also we have the spacers, which are very designy and they're looking like this, and also a lot of screw and a lot of other stuff. Let's go. So first thing is we're going to remove the whole underbody protection here that covers the engine from underneath, and then we have to drill a hole for this bolt and for this one. We're gonna be right back when we uninstall that one. Okay, so we run in a little confusion. So actually, if you have a car that is older than 2021, 2022, you have to remove these. The older one didn't have those, as it looks like at the moment, what I found on the internet. So please remove them, then you're good to go. So quick update. So we're gonna install these ones first. Then we put the sorry, Artek did sneak through the picture. Then we're gonna check the fitment, and with the fitment we're gonna drill these holes. Now putting in the second side, and then we do a first fitment test. For those of you wondering how this system is working, Eric, please.
So these are like for empty space installation.
Yeah.
Put them in the bore hole you just drilled. Insert the bolt here, and then by pressing this tool against this can't turn anymore. So the force from the thread will just pull this down. These arms spread, and then it's locked.
And it's locked. All right.
Easy as that.
Let's go. Okay, so we are smiling and smiling because so when we figured out these screws that actually fit into here, the other side is a Torx one, and honestly I'm a little bit confused because actually from the price of the product I actually thought it would be at least 2 same inputs, but that's complaining at the German level, so don't sign that. So yeah, so actually you have to cut the underbody protection, and we are measuring now a unit in adding or something. I'm gonna go to the, okay, there we go. Because if you don't cut it out, so these ones here, it won't fit anymore. So you need to cut it out to make sure that the holder here stays exactly where it is. While we are fitting in these things, we found out that the space here is pretty big. Don't get confused by this, because if you tighten it up later, it will fit in itself. So we're gonna mount now the last parts, and then we're gonna show you the final result. Yeah, so We can be honest, we're always honest on the channel. The mounting of this front lip is a pure, I didn't say the disaster, but it's
No, but it's you
pain.
need to be prepared to do things once or twice.
yeah.
That's
So-
not a first hit.
Yeah. I see. So what is really taking time is the movement here to make sure it fits perfectly. Also here on the end. I mean the good news is we're literally already done, and I said it already. We're gonna show you the result. It took us a little bit longer, but now you're gonna see the result in 3, 2, 1, go.
Ja, er sitzt auf, geh nach hinten. Nee, du sitzt auf. Raus. Nein! Oh, ja, geht. Oh mein.
Alright everybody, so as you see, we made it to the parking garage and the driveway is not the final boss anymore, thanks to Ate and some piece of wood. So, we gonna check the location for tomorrow, what they're gonna see in a couple of minutes, because we go do some drifting. You don't see that now, you're gonna see tomorrow. So, my suggestion is we're gonna jump now to the car meet. For tomorrow, it's a Christmas meet. Don't expect the heavy monster tune cars because it's a winter meet. And see you in a bit. Really? Okay, so we're here with Moritz, and I think most of the people who follow the channel know this RX-7.
You have a V1 kit from Ready.
Yeah. What else?
Double open intake, cold
Okay.
air intake. So the V1 kit is intercooler, water cooler, not the oil cooler, but the klima lines.
The AC cooler.
Yeah,
AC cooler. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, that looks so sick. And you know what I absolutely love is you see that this car is driven, but the story behind this, it took like 6 months when you had it from importing to driving, right?
Now like 1 year.
One, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
I bought it 2024.
Yeah.
February,
Yes.
and it was in Germany in August.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's
And
so
then
dope.
I built a motor,
Yeah. Nice.
rims,
Nice.
coilovers.
And you have a fantastic strap foil on the back.
and
Let's check that. That looks so sick, guys. I mean, from the outside, you already see it here. It's like, it's phenomenal. Dude, that is insane.
It's loose right now,
Yeah.
so normally it sits like that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's super cool. That's super cool. So we're gonna see you on some meets next year then with our car.
Hopefully. Yeah.
Oh, that would be so dope. Okay, guys. So we now check out some more cars. Some people are already coming in. It's very early in the meeting stage. I would say we're gonna. By the way, say hi to Luca.
Hi.
We're gonna jump back to the meet when there's more going on, and we catch some cars and. Let's see what this Christmas is. It's the last meet before we fly to Japan, actually.
That's right, yeah.
Oh, man, I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna catch you back later. Alright everybody, so I hope I can blend out the music, but as you see the crowd is already moving out, so we're gonna now check some fantastic drift clips of Artex. He told me he's gonna warm up the car first, and as you see it's freezing cold outside in Germany, and I hope you enjoyed it so far. So we're gonna now bring the light change towards the Christmas tree. Let's go! Alright everybody, so the Christmas light chain didn't work out at all. We're gonna give it a try in another 50 minutes because the car now needs to cool down. Because here's the thing, hence the car didn't get the speed that it gets at the drift track, the engine has literally no chance to cool down. So we're gonna wait now another 30 minutes, then we're gonna mount the camera in the car and we do some really cool drifting. So we're gonna see us in a bit. Alright everybody, so we did have no chance to make a second drift because we need to rework the engine soon, and also it went late and we do not want to afraid our neighbors with some loud weird noises, so we left it for this one drift. I'm gonna drive home now and we're gonna catch up when we're finally back in the garage. What an amazing night. So yes, I think it was not the biggest car meet, but that's okay. It was a Christmas meet. Even there were slam cars and winter tires, what by the way is law in Germany, kind of a law, that you have to, if the temperature is increasing, you have to go to winter tires or seasoned tires, right? And want to say a huge shout out to Artec for helping me out with bringing the Supra also back in the garage and put it back to sleep. Also, huge shout out to Eric for helping out, and Casey for helping out. Really, really good. I really appreciate that help. That was the last comment of the season, and I think when I reflect the season, I will welcome in a couple of other episodes where we do a recap of 2025. What a blast of a car season, and what a blast of meets and this whole community, and super excited, super excited. So I'm gonna grab my stuff now. I'm gonna go to sleep. That's sad. Every episode comes to an end, and if you're still watching the video until that point, go and hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, it's for free, and it really helps me on my personal YouTube journey a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.